Good morning, everyone. Dale Martin here, back with another video for you. Today, I want to share a fast and easy way to clean out your inbox. Now, your G Suite school account has unlimited storage, but if you're like most of us, you also have a personal account, which is limited to 15 gig. If you've been a Gmail user for a long time, you may be pushing that limit. One alternative is to buy more space, but I think this quick strategy will help you avoid that. So this is one of my personal Gmail accounts, and like you, I get lots of automatic updates or automated messages for transactions that have taken place. The way to clean these out is find one that you know you want to delete. For example, Target here. They've been sending me a lot of things because of the holiday season. So first thing you're going to do is click on the email, and then you're going to come up here to the traffic light button or the three dots, click on that, and then you're going to go down to the bottom and click on filter messages like these. Now at this point you can use this pop-up to refine your search, but if you notice in the background I have all my target messages identified. So I don't need to refine this search. I'm just going to click outside the pop-up. The next thing I'm going to do is come over here and I'm going to highlight every single email in the box. You may want to go down through here and just double check very carefully and just make sure that, yeah, I want to get rid of all of these. And all of these appear to be advertisements, so no harm in getting rid of those. And it's just a simple matter of clicking on the trash can. It will delete about 50 at a time, so you may have to come back over here, hit that square again, and delete again. So just like that, about 60 emails cleaned out of our inbox. After that, it's just rinse and repeat. We can go back, pick another email, same process over again, filter messages like these. Click out of the box, double check that none of these are important, select them all, and send them to the trash. And once again, we get rid of 20-30 questions. So just rinse and repeat at this point. Very simple. If you like this tip, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also click on the little bell to receive notifications when new videos are posted. Your feedback means the world to me, and I appreciate it very much. Your comments, your suggestions. Drop me a line in the messages below on future topics. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.